Hello, Mike. This is Kate Delaney, a librarian at your local public library. I'm recording this video to give you a quick tutorial on using ProQuest's Literature Online database to find information related to your search for scholarly literature and criticism on Nathaniel Hawthorne, specifically his works for children. I find that the interface of this database is user-friendly and allows for easy adjustment of search parameters. Let's start out by entering Hawthorne Nathaniel in the search box to see what comes up. As you can see, there are about 8,000 resources, and not all of these are going to be relevant to your search. So let's narrow down these results. We're going to do that by clicking on Advanced Search. We're going to perform a subject search. In this drop-down menu, choose Subject Heading and then Look Up Subjects. We are going to look up Hawthorne. I'm going to scroll down to find the entries that are about Nathaniel Hawthorne, and I'm going to click these three checkboxes and choose Add to Search. I'm also going to then adjust this to all subjects and indexing. And in the next drop-down menu, I'm going to add a search term that will narrow down these results even further to those that include child or children in the subject. If you type in the word child followed by an asterisk or truncation symbol, the search will include both forms of the word. And we're going to make this a subjects and indexing search as well. Since you need the information in a hurry, let's check both full text and peer-reviewed to make sure that all of the results will be authoritative and immediately available. Now we're searching. As you can see, we are now seeing 10 results that cover all the aspects of your search. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. If you have any more questions on how to perform a database search, please feel free to let us know, and happy searching!